Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Kleins, and you guys, in this video I'm going to use some products from Modelones. I'm going to use some polygel from them. I want to thank them once again for working with me in this video. Thank you so much for sending me these products. So I'm going to do a milky white nail design, simple one color, but I just like it. I think it's always classy to have white nails. So I'm going to show you that in this video using the polygel from Modelones. And before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts. I will put them somewhere here in the screen so you can go ahead and show me some love. And I also have a coupon code for you guys to save some coins. I will put it here in the screen so you can go ahead and check your products out with this coupon code. And then let's go into this video. So this is the polygel kit from Modelones. And in this polygel kit I've got from some dual forms, a lot of dual forms actually, the slip solution. I've got the base and the top coat that you will use. I've got also some glitter and some crystals, a hand file and the brush and the sculpting tool. And I've got this temperature changing color gel polish polygel, this nude. I think these colors are beautiful. I've also got this color number 4. It's like a light pink nude-ish color, beautiful for a natural look. Also this light pink, also pretty, more like a clear pink. It's also a pretty color. And this soft pink, this is kind of a Barbie pink. It's also Barbie white-ish pink, pretty. And this pure white, and this color I'm going to use in this video. Before we go ahead, I'm just going to use these dual forms and just measure them to see if they fit my nail bed properly. Make sure the forms measure from side to side so it covers your whole entire nail bed. And that's what I'm going to do and select my nails. And this is how my nails look. I've got the natural shine of the nail with using my sanding band. And you don't have to use a super bond or a primer, but you can go ahead and make sure you don't have any lifting. You can go ahead and use some protein bond or some super bond or any primer that you have. And now I'm applying the base coat, a thin layer of the base coat. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going to cure it under my lamp. This lamp I've got also from Modelones. But everything that I have used in this video, I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. So now I'm grabbing my dual form and I'm applying some polygel in the dual form, and I'm using the slip solution. I've put some slip solution in the cap of the little bottle. I've put some slip solution in the cap of the bottle, and I'm just dabbing my brush into it. And like, I have also a wiping pad next to me so I can wipe my brush to clean it. And I'm just pressing the polygel in the dual form, and I wanted them a little bit long, so that's what I'm doing. But my mistake was that I had put too much polygel. So you guys, don't go in with too much polygel because it will not dry in the middle. So I had to go in and try it once again under my lamp, a lot of times actually, because I made the nails too thick. But that was my mistake. So I learned from my mistakes, so I can learn you guys also what not to do. You can also always go ahead after you have applied your polygel into the dual forms, and if you think afterwards that it's still too thin, you can always go ahead with some more polygel and apply it where you think that needs more polygel. So don't make the same mistake that I have done and just start with way less polygel that I have applied in these dual forms. But you know, we always learn from our mistakes, and I always would like that you guys know that I'm not perfect. I also make mistakes. I'm also still learning. So you know, that's what I like about this process and try new things out, because I'm not really a polygel person but more a acrylic person. But you know, I just like trying new things out. So press it on the nail, but these tool forms are really tight, so they like pop a little back, and they are not just stuck on the nail. So I had to really make sure I press it and immediately go under my lamp. And as you guys see, all my cuticles are all over the polygel, but I will fix that later. And yeah, I'm going to do that on all the 10 nails, and then I will come back and explain to you guys what I'm doing. Well, I just know that you're still here watching with me, and I really want to thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel and commenting your beautiful comments and inspiring comments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, you're watching but you're not subscribed yet, I think it's a shame. So shame on you. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. It will cost you like 2 seconds to press on the subscribe button, so I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you're the first one to know when I post next time. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language Papiamento will be Mistimabu, and Mistimabu means I love you, and yes, I really love you guys. Comment a white hearted emoji to let me know that you're still here watching with me. So I flash cured all the nails in between after applying each nail, and this is how they look. They are so thick from underneath, and I just hate thick nails, so I have a lot of filing work, but I'm going to make this work. So yeah, I'm going in with my alcohol first to get the tacky layer off, to clean the nails, and then I will go in with my file. But then when I was busy filing this pinky, I saw that it was too thick, like I said before, and then in the middle was not cured properly. So yes. I really enjoy doing this set because it's something new. This is like the second time that I've used polygel, so I really enjoyed this set and also learned some new things. So I went in and I've cured the nails once again, like for 3 minutes or so, all the nails. So I knew that they are properly cured in the middle. So then I went in and I went with this bit, but I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but the polygel like sticks on my nail bit, so I had to clean it with some acetone every second. So I decided to switch to my turbo nail bit, the pointy one. You will see that in a second, and I've just used that one to like this nail bit. I just use it to like get underneath the nails and also to file down the nails a little bit shorter. And then I will just go in with the hand file that I've got with the polygel package. I just went in and filed them with my hand file. So this is how they look after filing the nails, and I just think that at the cuticle area it just misses a little bit more of polygel. So I'm just going in with some extra polygel. As you can see, it's a little bit translucent and it's just missed some spots. So I'm just going in with a little bit of polygel, a little small amount, putting it on at the cuticle area, and I'm just using my brush that I will just dip in the slip solution and just press it into the cuticle area, and that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. And then I will come back and show you guys how they look after applying some more polygel on the cuticle area. So this is how they look after applying some polygel at the cuticle area. I went in with my hand file, perfected the shape, and this is how they look after filing and buffing and cleaning the nails. And then I'm going in with my top coat, also that I've got from this polygel kit. I'm going to apply the top coat on all the 10 nails, and then on all the 5 nails because I didn't do my other hand in this video. On all the 5 nails and I'm curing that in under my lamp for like I think 3 minutes to make sure they are properly cured, and then I will show you guys the end result. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result. I really like the outcome. I just love white nails and a sharp shape. I just love it. Some square nails, not too long, not too short. Love it. It's classy. I'm also going to rock these nails on my birthday, so you know the drill. Pretty. If you like to see more polygel nails videos, just let me know in the comment section below. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've liked this video. I really hope you've learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Share this video with everybody who likes polygel or not. Thank you for supporting my channel, and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. You are the first one to know when I post next time. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.